Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another DIY body scrub to share with you. If you haven't seen any of my other recipes, I'll leave a link to those videos down below and at the end of the video. With summer coming to an end, what better way to exfoliate your dry and dull skin and rehydrate it with a nourishing coconut oil based scrub. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make a coconut orange scented body scrub that smells yummy enough to eat. And to change it up for my second recipe, I made a pink Himalayan lavender salt scrub with an extra boost of hydration. I love using these scrubs in the shower. I scoop out the scrub from these wide mouth containers and scrub it directly onto my skin with my hands. And don't forget to make sure you clean your tub after so you don't slip. The coconut oil is very nourishing on the skin but can be very slippery in the tub. To start off, I used a vegan, organic, virgin coconut oil. This coconut oil is unrefined and smells delicious like toasted coconut. I use this type specifically because it does smell like coconuts. I also wanted to show you that it's okay to use coconut oil when it's in its melted liquid form. Also in this recipe, I used regular plain sugar. And lastly, I used an orange essential oil. To a mixing bowl, I added 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. I started with 1/2 cup of sugar. I added a bit more sugar to show you that even if you use melted coconut oil, you can still get a really good sandy texture. And to this mixture, I added a few drops of orange essential oil. The more coconut oil you have, the more runny your mixture will be. With adding more sugar to the recipe, your texture will come out kind of like this. This scrub is easily stored in a plastic or glass container. This recipe came out perfect for my liking. It's nice and crumbly, yet still has enough moisture to hydrate your skin. For the next recipe, I used a different kind of coconut oil that does not have a scent. If stored in a cool place, your coconut oil will be solid or soft like this one. To change it up a bit, I used Himalayan pink fine salt. I thought this would be a perfect way to add in a naturally pink color. And if you can't find fine salt, you can always grind it up. And lastly for this recipe, we're going to use a lavender essential oil. I started off with 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of the pink Himalayan fine salt, and a few drops of the lavender essential oil. As you can see, this mixture is a lot more runny. I added less of the dry ingredient, which in this recipe was salt, which is going to allow for a much richer hydrating formula. This recipe hydrated my skin so much I was able to shave without any cuts. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share with your friends. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!